another vlog, and this is Tanya's baby shower today. And you guys just saw that Tanya has left the house. Yash and Darshana are here. For those who do not know, they are not only the godparents but our bestest friends. So they are here for last week. We haven't done vlogs, but if you're looking at our TikToks and stories, you would probably know that. So the plan is, now that we have kicked Tanya out, one of our friends Zoe has picked her up, and we got roughly 2.5 hours to prep the whole house before she comes back. So we are over here getting ready for the prep. Everything is a mess right now, so we have to prep the food, we have to decor, and we have to get ourselves ready. But first things first, we have to feed the dogs, walk them, so that we can be working uninterrupted. So let's get started.
Hi, beautiful mama. Were you excited?
Yes.
Was it a surprise for you?
Yes, I did not expect this at all.
We're at Umstead Hotel and Spa, and I have a reservation for like a little breakfast for her, and then we're gonna walk around the property. They're so pretty here. The weather is perfect. Oh my gosh. Yes. But we'll show you later what we are gonna eat, okay? You like it? Nice. Yeah. It looks amazing. What's there in there?
It
Is
was
that not a
green
seed? Green base? What is?
And some kind of green smoothie.
Yeah.
And this is the granola. There's bee pollen, pineapple, kiwi. I think these are some nuts.
Yeah. Very
Good.
nice. I got a cake, crab cake, Benedict. So the crab cake look really nice. I'm gonna just kind of and your little special dessert, early dessert. Normally breakfast dessert is the first time. Congratulations, Mama.
So pretty.
Yeah. Just take a bite and then ooh. Oh, good. Such a beautiful day. We're gonna go for a little greenway walk. Let's check it out.
Yes.
Oh, I saw the base sign. It looks so pretty. Oh. It's a bird.
All the neighbors were, Yash was putting up the sign and all the neighbors were congratulating him. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Hi.
Quiet. It's okay. Calm down. Good.
Oh. Oh, look at all the food.
All my Anvaya.
Ah, I love it. It's a boy.
Where did you guys go?
You wanna know where we went? She took me to Umstead for breakfast.
Ah.
Before you.
What? Oh, those are pickles.
Pickles.
Fried pickles.
I was like, no, it's some sort of that green thing.
Wait. Here, if that helps.
The butter.
That's butter.
Alright people, so the girl of the hour is here and you guys saw that everything is done, all the food is there, everybody is here, they are all taking their plates and sitting outside. So, well, she liked it all.
And the food, everything looks so good.
Yeah.
He outdid his level, I think, this time. He did so good.
Yes, so we are gonna actually just go sit outside, have some fun, enjoy, and then we're gonna see you guys in a bit when we start playing the games. We're gonna play our first game. It's called over and under, over or under. And what's gonna happen is so there is an up arrow or a down arrow or a halt for every sentence, and so if you think that it's overestimated, then you just circle the up arrow. If you think that thing is underestimated, then you circle the down arrow. And if you think that's exact, then you circle the little heart at the end of the sentence. So yes, sir.
Okay, everybody's here.
That's Nitish over there.
Here.
So
We just started playing the first game. Let me show you the food.
game winner had a tie between Yash and Darshana, and she won.
First of many.
Pretty simple game.
Like.
Pretty simple game, mommy or daddy, and you just have to circle, mark, however, the little red lip or the mustache based on who is gonna do that, whatever is asked in the question. There's one person who got everything correct but one answer. Wow! And that is Chris. He pretty much nailed it. I was like,
He just missed one.
yeah,
That's
he
it.
just made one question. And so, answer sheet for this game was prepared by her, and for the other game was prepared by me. He missed the question for sing better lullabies. According to her, that was me. I know you.
I have very bad voice. So.
Where's the?
We just assumed that, you know, Tanya had the more beautiful voice.
I think when I'm in the bathroom, yes, I have a beautiful voice. But when I'm outside, I know I don't.
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
9, 10, 11. Oh,
Jack,
Queen, King. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
10. Who's the last?
We have a video recording so we can see.
Yeah, let's just do
think it's
that.
just these on top.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
We're actually watching the video to figure out whose hand was the last one.
This is serious.
Alright guys, we are done playing the games and finally she's gonna open the game. So let's get started. Alright, start with the gifts that people are here.
Okay, so which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh, plastic protector.
What is that? Oh, car
Seat protector.
I love the covers. Oh. It's one and only Jessie.
It's from the same. It's from Jessie?
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
This is my favorite gift.
Nasal aspirator.
This is not the one where you.
I'll send you the picture if you want after we use it.
I'm Good without.
Alright. This is I'm still not very good at knowing stuff right now. Rachel.
Receiving blanket.
Receiving blankets.
Yes, the panda. Panda.
Oh, nice.
And hatch. Oh, thank you.
Yay!
Wait, what's a hatch?
It has the white noise and the
Oh.
colors to suit the baby.
Oh. Panda. She said panda. Thank you. Then which one? This one?
No, you can open that,
This one?
which is yeah.
Mayank, you can help her with that. Open that if you want.
Oh, bassinet.
Yay! This is
Baby bassinet.
Oh my God! Jessie!
Hi.
Oh my God! All he is doing is playing that game.
Yeah.
He's
He's like, I just remember this game.
Bassinet.
What kind of bassinet?
This is like for. I can say it.
I was gonna say, but then she was like, that face
Yeah.
she made, I just kept quiet. I was gonna say white bassinet. Take it back. Woo! This is the brand that I was eyeing for very long. I think a few months before we got pregnant, I was like, babe, whenever I get pregnant, I'm gonna get this bag.
That one.
Oh,
And it comes with
So that's the changing pad and the little things to organize.
This is from you?
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
I sneak that in. Alright guys, so the one game that we were having is called Don't Say Baby. So the entire day nobody was supposed to say baby word, and if they do, they had the sticker that gets snatched away by the other player. And apparently we have a winner, Jessie, with everybody's sticker right here at the end of the day. So he's gonna enjoy a Chick-fil-A. And he won. Yay. Alright guys, we had an amazing baby shower. Today is the next day, actually a day after, and this is still a little bit of mess. We cleaned up, and there are two precious gifts that we didn't show you, like, because they were not down here. So I'm gonna show you those two gifts. One is from Yashu and Ashley, Tanya's brother and sister-in-law. So Yash and I, we assembled the gift. So this is the beautiful crib from them, and then another gift that wasn't downstairs was this beautiful stroller with the car seat. So we wanted to make sure that you see it looks super cool. Hi Marvel. Hi. So we have assembled the crib already, and nursery we are starting to put things now. You guys will get a nursery tour pretty soon once it's ready. And Yash and Darshna, they just left half an hour ago. So the house is real quiet, and Marvel is going crazy because he doesn't know that they have left. And he's expecting them to come back, and he's trying to like look for them around the house. So Marvel, I know. Are you waiting for them still? They went to New York. And we have to just clean up this decoration, and everything else is done. They helped us clean up everything after that. So it's a long ride for them. They will probably reach by tonight. It's like 10-11 hours of drive time for them. And we had a blast with the games. We ended up actually playing until 5 p.m. So her baby shower started at 11 and we ended up playing games until 5 p.m. and after 3-4 games, it wasn't about the baby shower. It was just games, whatever games we wanted to play. So but it was so much fun, so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys got some ideas about the baby shower games and stuff. I'll put more information in the description box. Reach us out on Instagram or YouTube if you have questions about anything. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then,
Bye bye.
Bye.